Welcome back to Hilson Home. Here today, I'm pressure washing our under deck. As you can see, it really needs it. I got all my equipment laid out. I'm about to put some gas into my pressure washer. And today I am using Ecolab exterior house and siding pressure washer. So this stuff is pretty good. I've used it before to clean our deck up top, and it really did a fantastic job. I'm very pleased with the results. And let me just gas this up and I'll be right back.
How long will this take?
This won't take long, maybe 20 or 30 minutes. I'm gonna start over there on that on the slab right here, just to demonstrate what this stuff can do. All this black mold to get rid of all that. It's a little brand new. 1 second. Gas powered pressure washer now. It's only two things, y'all. You got the hose and the water. The electric one, you got the electric cord.
You got it.
Just start it up.
As you can see, we still got more to go, but looks totally different.